Welcome to imaginelab, your all-in-one AI tool. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of using ChatPDF feature with imaginelab. Let's get started. Head over to imaginelab.ai and click on Get Started. Enter your email and password, then hit Sign In to access the home page. Scroll down the left tab and click on ChatPDF to be redirected to the AI PDF page. This feature enables you to find specific information quickly, extract key insights, or summarize the entire document. Now click on the attachment icon to upload a PDF. You can ask him to summarize the document or specific pages, and then hit Enter. You can even ask for specific key insights or quickly search for an item in the PDF. Once you are done, click on the Generate icon. Voila, it will write an optimal insight for your PDF. You have tools to copy the answers as well. Congratulations! You have just learned how to optimally use a PDF with imaginelab. Join imaginelab today. Thanks for watching.